Good morning, chaps. We solve the differential equation y prime equals y squared minus 4y plus 3. First, we recognize the type. We see a y squared term, so this is a Riccati equation. Now we find a particular solution. We try constant solutions. Set 0 equals y squared minus 4y plus 3. Now factor. This becomes y minus 1 times y minus 3. So we can choose yp equals 1. Now we use the Riccati substitution. Y equals 1 plus 1 over u. Differentiate. Y prime equals minus u prime over u squared. Now substitute into the equation. Now expand carefully. 1 plus 1 over u squared gives 1 plus 2 over u plus 1 over u squared. Then minus 4 times the bracket gives minus 4 over u. Then plus 3. Now simplify. So u prime equals 2u minus 1. Now solve the linear equation. Rewrite it as u prime minus 2u equals minus 1. We try a constant solution. Set u equals k. Then 0 minus 2k equals minus 1. So k equals 1 half. So the general solution is u equals c e to the power 2x plus 1 half. Now return to y. Y equals 1 plus 1 over u. So y equals 1 plus 1 over c e to the power 2x plus 1 half. Multiply top and bottom by 2. So the final answer is y equals 1 plus 2 over 1 plus 2 c e to the power 2x. And that is the solution. I recommend you to check my playlists on multivariate calculus.